you guys doing? My name is Fidel. I trade the stock market, you guys. Usually I try to focus on trading penny stocks and options, you guys. For the ones that don't know me, my name is Fidel. I founded a company called Tradewithfidel. You could go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys join the chat room as well. I'll leave the link below so you guys could reach out to me, get some advice, some questions, or want to join the one-on-one training that I provide so you could become a very profitable trader like myself, you guys. Okay, so look, today I want to create a video of the top option stocks. Again, this is for options that I'm looking at the month of September, you guys. Okay, and these stocks that I'm looking at, I believe there's a lot of opportunity there for us to make some good money, and I believe usually the action is going to take the first week to the second week of September, you guys. So the stocks that I'm talking about, you guys, as you guys could see right here on the screen, is AAPL. It is Amazon, Chipotle, SQ Square, AOBC, INNT, GALT, TPIV as in Victor. Total of 9 stocks. All of these are optional. All of these have some history or some information that I'm going to provide to you guys, and about the chart as well. I will go through each one of them and explain to you guys why I'm watching these for the month of September, usually for the first week through the second week, and I will get into that in a second, you guys. Okay, you guys, but before I move into that, if I could get at least, you guys, 25 likes in this video, if I could get at least 25 likes, I will make a video of the penny stocks that I'm looking at the month of September. Okay, you guys? All right, so let's get into that, you guys. Let's get into I'm going to analyze the stocks that I'm talking about and when I'm looking at them in the month of December. Okay, you guys? I mean, in the month of September. Okay, you guys. All right, traders, let's get into it, traders. So as you guys could see, these are the ones that I'm looking at for the month of September. Okay, so I'm going to analyze every single one of them. I'm going to talk into details of every single one of them and why I'm considering watching these and hopefully playing them out, taking some profit from them. So let's open up Apple. Okay, so Apple right now, as you can see at this 1-day chart, she's been at a float. You could see she's basically stuck there, not going nowhere, going sideways. But now let's open up the chart to the 5-day chart. And as you can see at the 5-day chart, she's been on an upward trend for 1 day, 2, 3, 4 days. I mean 2, 3 days. No, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, 3 days total. 1, 2, 3 days. Okay, she's been on an upward trend. Okay, and as you can see, let's go further as well. So you can see right here we have an indicator, an expansion indicator, and as you can see right here in this indicator, there was a high level of volume. All right, we're talking about 67.94 million in volume. From right here, you could tell she's became bearish and continued going up. And as you can see, that's in the 1-month chart. The reason why is because some news about Warren Buffett investing money into the stock, into Apple, because of what he sees coming here in the next couple weeks. I heard rumors, again, news that the phones are coming out. I believe there are 3 different types of phones. iPhones are coming out here in a matter of several days here in September. And I have heard they are very cheap compared to the previous phones, the previous prices of the phones that we had in the past of Apple. So I believe that's why Warren Buffett invested some money into it. Okay, and since then it's been on an upward trend. And as you can see, she had earning reports too right here, and that's when she decided to bounce up, and that's when she started to continue the upward trend. I believe the upward trend is still going to continue. So we could capitalize on it maybe for like 1, 2, or 3 days and make some money out of Apple. And I believe she's going to continue to go up until the phones comes out. And as you can see, you guys, there's some resistance level right here. Okay, a resistance level right here about 228, 229. So I will play this break in that resistance level. Now if for some reason she cannot break the resistance level, we'll be able to maybe capitalize on it and make some profit on a put option. But like I said, I highly doubt that, especially, you know, Warren Buffett, him invested some money into it from what I have just told you guys, from what I have heard from my research. So I think she's going to continue. She'll probably kind of consolidate a little bit, maybe 1 day or 2 days, but believe she's going to continue. Right now, she is at the highest that she has ever been. Okay, so that's Apple. Okay, you guys, so I'm watching Apple to go long, to go up on a call. Okay, maybe for 1, 2, or 3 more days. Okay, usually I just focus on capitalize on it, but I believe she's going to continue to go. So just keep your eyes on her. If you want to get a contract for maybe 2 weeks on a call, then it's up to you. Okay, but always manage the risk and the reward and make sure they balance themselves out. Next one is Amazon. Okay, one of my previous students that I have trained in the past several months ago, his name is Shoki. He's in my I shouldn't even say his name. He's in my chat room, and this guy right here, he sells Amazon on Thursday, and when he saw Amazon, he was up like 300, 500% on an option call, and when he sold it, I noticed that he sold it because he posted it in the chat room, and you know, I'm like, wow, he sold it. He was up a lot, you know. So, you know, I wanted to see what was going on. So I went into Amazon and I started looking at it, and I started going through the news and the catalyst, see why it's moving that much. And that was this day right here, you guys, on Thursday, why it was moving that much. And I heard there was a hype going on that she was basically working her way up, breaking the $2,000 mark. But besides that she was getting close to the $1 trillion market cap. And as you can know, here in the States, the company that has done it so far recently has been Apple, has hit $1 trillion. Steve Jobs would have been very proud. Okay, I'm pretty sure he is over there. But anyways, so that was the hype that was going on. I noticed my students sold it here. Okay, I'm very smart, so I know exactly where he sold it at. And by me looking at his contract, the time and everything, I know that he sold it around here. Then it dropped. When it dropped, I noticed it was a recovery. I'm not going to get into details about that. But I purchased a call continuing to go up. And yes, it went up, it went up, it went up, it went up. The next day in the morning, as you can see here, we got a spike going up. I didn't sold it, because I know that by me looking at the chart, it was going to continue to trend up. So yes, it went up, I went up, it went up, and went up, and went all the way to 24 and some change. Then, as you can see, this is a 5-day chart. So there's 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candles. So 4 candles, total of 20 minutes. So I noticed clearly there was a resistance level right here. So then I sold it about 23 and some change, you guys. I took about, what was it, like a little bit, I think it was, what was it, about 150. I will post it up in a minute, about 150% profit that I took from Amazon, you guys. So again, the reason why I'm watching Amazon, because I believe, I'm a firm believer that here maybe next week, on the second week of December, she's going to break the $1 trillion. And if I'm correct, you guys, she needs to hit, I believe, is 2053 or 2057 for her to become a $1 trillion. So as you can see, she is not far from that. I'm pretty sure she's going to go that direction. She's going to hit that mark. That's a big goal. And I'm pretty sure Benzo wants that as well. So I'm pretty sure it's going to go that direction. But the way I will play this, you will have to break, again, the resistance level here of, let's say, 2025, $2,025 for me to continue her, to play her going up. So that's Amazon, all right, you guys? So keep your eyes on Amazon. The next one I'm watching is one of my favorites. She was like my favorite all through August, you guys. And let me open up the chart so you guys could see. Okay, I purchased this stock. Let me go back further. I purchased it right here, you guys. From right here, as you guys could see where I'm at, she became bullish. And since then, you guys, I've been eating from her every day, a few days out of the week, you guys. I literally rode it from down here all the way up to up here. And I literally rode it a few times coming down already. Okay. So as you can see right here clearly on the 3-month chart, by looking at the max signal, she is on a downward trend. Okay. But not only that, I noticed that when we get closer, let's open up the chart. There is one day right here. In this one day, as you can see, she was holding on. She is holding on. So then it made me think, what is going on here? Okay. Then I open up the chart, and as you can see right here, see at 472, 465, there's a level of support right here and all through here. You see that? There's a level of support. But if she continues to break that support, I have a feeling that she's going to continue to come down closer and closer and closer to the diversions. Maybe about 2 or 3 more days coming down. But I don't think she's going to break through diversions. As you can see in the 6-month chart, and as you can see in the 1-month chart, in the 1-year chart, she broke only once and twice. Recover real fast, real soon. So I don't think she's gonna break through diversions, you guys. The only way I think she's gonna break through diversions is some more bad news comes out. But Morgan Stanley himself thinks this stock is gonna go around 550, $600, and I kind of think so as well. So at first, the next couple of days, I'm going to try to play a put on it, but maybe in the last week of September, in the second week of September, she's gonna probably start to reverse. Because as you can see clearly, we have some support here. So she's going to probably, if I'm right, she's going to try to reverse and work her way up again, you guys. But if she doesn't, it's a great opportunity for her to break that support and keep coming down to the next level of support, which it will be down here. And that's about $20, $30 of difference that we could make a lot of money on. All right, so that's CMG Chipotle, you guys. The next one is Square SQ. And SQ, as you can see right here, she's going sideways. Let's open up the chart. At the 5-day chart, as you can see, she hit a level of resistance and she started going sideways, you guys. She started going sideways. This day right here on the 30th, I made some profit on the 30th. I played it. It went to the resistance, came down. I didn't sold it. Then it went back up close to the resistance, and that's the point where I sold it at. Okay, then I noticed the next day again it went all the way up into a level of resistance. Again, surpassed it here just by the squeeze, but again a clear level of resistance. So now you can see we have 2 days that she is going sideways. So let's open up the chart again, you guys. Okay, look, she's been on an upward trend, on a power trip. Look, every green candle is a day that she has grown. So we have a lot of days that she's been on a power trip. So this definitely has correction due, consolidation, drops, red days. There are definitely due. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. As you can see in the 5-day chart, there are 2 days already that she's giving me confirmation that she is going sideways. So we maybe have hit a strong level of resistance here at this price. So I think that maybe she's going to start coming down. And if she starts coming down, we could capitalize on it and make some money on it and definitely take some profit home. Okay. Other than that, if she does break this resistance level that we're at right here, let's say $91.50, for example, because you always want a little bit above it, and to make sure it breaks that link, then this will probably continue to go up a little bit more. then we'll be able to capitalize on that. But see, now that I'm telling you, now that you know what's going on, you see, that's why I'm analyzing the stocks for you guys. And this is what I'm watching in the month of September, you guys. All right? Perfect. Now the next one that I'm watching, it is AOBC. As you can see, this is a smaller stock, okay? And as you can see too, right here on the first day, she started trending up, you guys. This stock continued to go up after hours as well. She went to like 1467 and she closed like at 1440 something, 43, 46. So she went up real well. I capitalized on this. I made about 40% on it. Okay, and let me get into it, you guys. At the 1-day chart, as you can see, working her way up. At the 5-day chart, as you can see, she's holding the price very well, staying above the divergence. A reversal started here, and when the reversal started here, that's when she started to rise up again. And like I said, after hours, she went higher and even closed higher than what she was at regular hours. Okay, so as you can see, let's open up the chart. The 5-day chart, we have no volume, team. There's no volume right here. What's for all traders? No volume. All the volume started coming in right here. And as you can see how it ended, it lets me know that she's going to continue going. So now let's open up the 1-month chart. At the 1-month chart, you can see on Friday, the 29th, middle day, she broke over divergence. You see that? She broke over divergence from $9.77 to over $14. Moved very well. And again, you guys, this is high volatility. And the beautiful thing about this, if you know how to trade right, you can make a lot of money. I believe she moved about 1,600% that day on Friday on the 29th, you guys. Again, let's open up the chart. As you can see, the trend just started. Let's open up the chart some more. Let's open up the chart some more. I believe this stock will probably go up $3 more, you guys, around $17 or so. Okay, and it's just started. That's why, again, I'm watching it for the month of September. So if I could capitalize maybe 1 day or 2 days and make a couple 100% profit on it, I'm gonna take it. All right, beautiful. Now let's move on to the next one, you guys. It is INNT. This one as well, as you can see, the 1-day chart, she started opening up, started going up, working her way up. She definitely moved about 40% that day. And that's if you want to play when it comes to a penny stock or a day trade. But this is optional, so I will play it the best way I could play it. So me to take the most that I can from it. So this is optional. I will play it options. Again, let's open up the chart. As you can see at the 5-day chart, we have no volume. She's been dead. Okay, the last day in December, the last day of August, the 31st, she started trending up. As you can see how she's ended, facing up, continue to trend up. So this, yes, as you can look at after hours, she did continue to go up. And again, this is optional. And as you can see right here, the reversal started right here. But I never buy when the reversal started because they are too low below the diversion. And as you can see, she's working her way up. So maybe not Tuesday, but maybe Wednesday, Thursday, she will continue to move up. So as she will get closer to the diversion, maybe by the end of the first week of September, she will be at the diversion or right above it and continue to trend the second week as well of September. You see that? If she continues to play the way she is playing now, working her way up towards that diversion. And as you can see, team, this is a formal runner. So there's potential for this to go at least to like $10, $10.50. Especially, from 7 to 10.50 when it comes to an option trade. That's a lot of money, you guys. And as you guys could see, again, she is barely starting out. So that's why I'm watching all these stocks, especially the ones that I'm talking about right now, because they're on an upward trend and they're fairly starting out. So we could capitalize on the whole movement going up and coming down if you know how to play it right. So now we're talking about TLRY. This is a cannabis weed stock. As you notice, weed has been hot in the industry here in the market lately. So this weed stock, I'm watching it because this weed stock is a new IPO and has moved up very fast recently. And as you can see, she started from $22, $23, all the way up to $65, $68 in 1 month. You guys, as you can see, let's open up the 3 month. Okay, as you can see, the 3 month gives me a little bit more of a chart again at the $22. Then it went up, then it came down. Now let's go to the 6 month. See, the 6 months not giving me nothing no more. At the 1 year, it's not giving me nothing no more. So this stock is about a month and a half old. As you can see, August and a little bit of give me a second, August and a little bit of the July. My mind went blank there for a second. So you see that? So this is a new IPO. Again, it's a new marijuana stock. So this right here, we play it right, we can make money going up. Or again, she moved up so fast that we play it right, we can make money from her coming down. As you can see, she shoots up, comes down, shoots up, comes down, shoots up. But I want to get to the point that she's not shooting up no more and be able to capture her coming down. Because like it's again, she has moved up so fast that correction is due. If I could just capitalize on a couple days, maybe coming down, or a couple days going up, I'm going to take the opportunity. All right, team? All right. Now let's move on to another penny stock, which is optional, is gold. Gold right now, as you can see, the 1 day chart is a mess. Let's open it up. And as you can see at the 5 day chart, you guys, we have moved a lot, about 70% if I'm just looking at it. Yes, you see that? So all the way from $4 and all the way up to let's say $6.50 for example. See, it has moved up a lot, team. And as you guys could see, she's been on a power trip 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. Right now, as you can see, she hit a level of resistance. Okay, so if she breaks that resistance, let's say for example 660, 670, would be able to capitalize on her going up. So look, I'm opening up the chart. Now this is a 1 month chart. As you can see, she barely just broke over the divergence. So that lets you know that the trending has started. It has started about 2 days ago. 3 days. 1, 2, 3. Okay, but this day and the last day, which it was on Friday, she barely broke through the divergence. So she barely broke through the divergence. So we are not late to the party. The party has started 2 hours ago, but the party is still fairly new. Okay, so as you can see, let's open up the chart. Let's open up the chart. As you can see in the 6 month chart, aggressively, she is way above the blue signal, definitely breaking through the divergence, giving us a healthy sign that she's gonna move up. I'm not sure how high yet, but definitely she's gonna move up. Hopefully, maybe at least another $1, maybe $2. All right, but again, she moves up $1, $2. That'd be for us to be able to capitalize on a lot of money, especially when it comes to this options. Her just moving about $1, $1.50. Okay, you guys. So as you can see, the run is starting. So now let's do the last but not least, TPIV. Okay, TPIV. As you can see, the trend is started this day, continuing to go up. The way she ended at a high level, she basically consolidated there, which gives you a good sign that she is not over there. This is just starting. Again, she's been dead the past several days. Let's open up the chart. As you can see in the 1 month chart, aggressively, she's way above the blue signal. She's at negative 0.15, so I will let her get a little bit closer below the negative 0.15. The negative 0.10 of the max signal. Then I'll buy a position, riding it up. You see that? And if she does go up, there's a high chance that she'll probably go around $10, team. Okay, $10, and that'd be good money for us. Again, about $1, $1.50, or maybe even a little bit more if she does break aggressively and continues to rise up. Okay, as you can see, this is power right here. And let me open up the chart. Let me open up the chart. Let me open up the chart. So as you can see, she has been dead and volume is coming in. So we might have a chance here for us to take some profit. All right, team. So as you can see that some of them, like the first ones, those are big time companies: Apple, Amazon, Chipotle, Square. And the ones below that, they're usually smaller companies. Some of them are new IPOs, but they're at the perfect time, and they're optional. They're at the perfect time that they're starting to reverse, breaking through the reversions, or about to break the reversions, and us to be able to capitalize on the move, on the bullish move that just started about a day, 2 days ago, and be able to capitalize on it the next few days going up, and be able to capitalize it when it starts to come down, maybe a week from now or 2 weeks from now. Okay. So look, traders, I hope you guys understand a lot. These are the options again that I'm watching for the first week to the second week of September. If you guys understood something and learned a lot, please give it a thumbs up. Again, subscribe, join the Discord app, so you guys could reach out to me, get some help or get some guidance, or you guys want to join the one-on-one training. Now, if you guys give me at least 25 likes in this video, I will make another video and have it posted by tomorrow, Sunday evening, and that'll be penny stocks that I'm watching for the month of September, for the first week or the second week, and I'm talking about penny stocks. All right. So, all right, traders, I hope you guys have a 3-day weekend. Enjoy yourself, have some fun, spend some time with the family, and always keep learning and investing in yourself, because the best investment is in yourself, you guys. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.